If you think chocolate's a sweet treat for dogs, swipe away right now.
Can kill your dog. It's not the sugar. It's theobromine. Dogs can't break down. It builds up in their system like poison. The heart races, seizures sometimes.
They never wake up, it's brutal. Seeing families sob over a lost companion. I built VETICS to avoid such nightmares, but prevention lies with you. It's simple, keep chocolate away and know the risks. So if you love your dog, act now, their life could depend on it. Follow for more real vet stories and honest advice.